fits.
All right, I've got this all pretty okay for painting. Let's take a look. Most of these are feathered out pretty good. Good enough to paint. Might have to do a little bit of light sanding here and there, but nothing major. Maybe fill a couple gaps in this corner. I didn't quite feather it well. My mud was a little too dry, but all in all, I got to kill some time. Well, this is 45-minute mud. hopefully it dries enough and then I can prime this. I'm just gonna have lunch while I wait for that to dry. So the shop tour video was pretty popular, which is good and bad. It's kind of what I was afraid of. So now I've got to follow up on that. And I am. Right now there's not enough to report, not enough accomplishment really to make another video. So I'll probably make a couple more videos about finishing out each section eventually. And probably in like 2 months it'll be consistently good enough weather to work on this. So we're gonna start working on this again. And I'm also working on the bathroom obviously today. So you know, I broke my own rule that my dad taught me, one project at a time, but my hand was kind of forced on all of it. So anyway, I'm going to eat lunch and we'll get going on that bathroom again in a minute here. This thing has a gasket here. I'm thinking that means it doesn't need plumber's putty, but I guess we'll find out. Alright, well, we'll see if that leaks. Probably will. Alright, we got that in there. The reason I put that in now is that I don't know what I'm going to do behind it. I don't know if I'm going to put tile or if I'm going to paint it. Either way, probably take it off, but I wanted to get this stuff out of the way, so that's in there. This is a waterproof fixture here. It's got this gasket. It's meant for boats, so should be alright there. But it's nice and small, nice and low profile, which I like. It won't get in the way. The door trim will start somewhere out here, so it'll be enough room for the trim and a tiny bit of room on that side. I think it's too cold in here for this mud to dry in 45 minutes. I was hoping it would dry and I could paint and then put that sink on, but I'm just gonna have to cut in around it. Won't be that big of a deal. This stuff is just, it's too cold. It's not drying. Even the thin stuff. I don't know if you can tell the change in color, but even the thin stuff is still wet. All right, let's go take a look at what we got done. I got my light on the floor there, trying to make it bright for you guys, so just ignore that. Yeah, so we got a couple corners done. Got this one down here. That one's pretty much good. Oh, actually no, I got to go over the inside of this. Got this wall here. That corner's good. Put this shower stuff up. People usually have comments when I do stuff out of order, but this thing can just get pulled back. I can paint that, or I can cut in around it. Same with the sink. I'm actually really fast at cutting things in, so it literally barely takes me any extra time. This corner here actually came out pretty, I just kicked my light. It came out pretty good. And we got this piece, these last couple pieces up. This big piece, couldn't believe it fit the first time. This piece here, this corner's not dry yet. So, and I actually need ideas from you guys. I was originally going to paint this alabaster, the color of the bedroom, and now I'm honestly not sure what I want to do. I still think that'll look good, especially against the black. The white, the black, and the cedar I think will all look good together. And then I wasn't going to do this, but I had this piece of walnut here that is what trimmed out the main room here. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do that or not. If I do walnut trim in here, I'm trying to figure out, I could do walnut. I don't know if I can still get ash. I could do oak trim. Trying to decide on all that stuff because it's almost time for that. So let me know what you guys think. Oh yeah, and then this sink, I kind of feel like this is an area with no good solution. I wasn't sure about this shower base. I was thinking I might take it off and just do this whole wall and that wall some kind of tile. But now I'm thinking that maybe I just need to paint this wall, because it might look funny having tile in between a piece of wood trim and that, and just like a random strip there. So I need a solution for that. If anyone has any clever ideas, let me know. There's going to be 2 wall mounted lights here and there, and that's what this is. I didn't have any wire with me, so I put that through so I could pull the wire through. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one.